Hey!
What's up, universe?
City.
Downtown.
Portland, Oregon.
And anywhere else in the...
If you live in the world that
Hi!
we live in, hello. If you're
We
from
are
another
at
planet.
the Goodwill bins, which if you don't know what that is, it's a Goodwill outlet. They roll bins out that are kind of like this color blue, actually. And they're full of stuff.
Goodies.
To go through.
Basically the throwaways of society. You'll find us in there, actually. Maybe some of our YouTube videos are lost in there.
And then you buy
explains a lot.
Stuff by the pound.
Yep, all the stuff that was at either retail stores or just direct donations make their way into the Goodwill outlet, and you buy stuff by the pound.
And we used to do Goodwill bins like exclusively.
Yeah,
to find,
I was like
to source
4 or 5 days a week in it.
But then they started to like sort themselves before it got here, I think. So then the stuff that we would come for never showed up anymore.
There was a while where they like really trimmed back on electronics, and they were like heavily
doing clothes, which is great for people who do
goods, but
clothes.
There's a lot of you out there that have just been dedicated 100% to the bins, and
you know who else
you're doing
is dedicated to the bins? This Corvette over here.
The vet.
They're dedicated. Everybody's looking at it when they drive by.
Yeah, like what are you? You're driving the vet, yet you're thrifting? It's a little counterintuitive, but you know, do you?
You gotta do it. What you gotta do. Anyways, so we are here to do a little challenge for you guys. A couples find each other Halloween costume challenge. We don't know how it's gonna go, and we're gonna take you guys along with us. Jake will have his camera, I'll have mine, and we'll see what we can do.
I was hesitant at first, but Erica's coaxed me.
It'll be fun. Here we go. Portland pickers! And did we do some picking today?
Have you ever?
Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Got a card.
Off to a great start.
things that I found, so stay tuned.
Just when I wasn't feeling that optimistic. That's fucking legit. Alright, we gotta talk quiet because Erica's close at hand. But anyway, my concept is